I'm Matt Czigler with Czig Meister Brewing, here with your craft beer and brewing tip of the week. Another thing as well with your temperature selection is you want to be looking at how much water you're going to have in your mash as well. So when selecting, say, your 156 degree for your stout, do you want it to be at a 1 quart to pound ratio, which is going to be a little bit of a thicker mash, or do you want it to be a little bit bigger, thinner of a mash at, say, 1.5 to near 2. The difference in your thicks and thin mash at that point are going to also come through with some malty flavors. I tend to see that if I mash a little bit thicker at a high temperature, I'm pulling out a little bit more caramel notes, a little bit more of those specialty grains than if I went for a thinner mash. I think it also affects in the sparging amounts that you're going to be doing later when you're running the water through your grains or when you're running out over to your kettle. The more water you tend to run through, the more grainy husk flavor you're going to extract. So by doing a thinner mash, you might also mute some of those background base grain flavors. So if you're going for a nice crisp, clean Pilsner, you might want to go with that low temperature at a little bit thicker or thinner of a mash, so that way you're not sparging as much and you get a little bit of a cleaner beer finish. For more info on recipe development, click the link below.